Toyota remained cautious on the need for the rapid development of electric vehicles. However, Toyota is pushing ahead with the launch of its first volume models powered solely by batteries. The Japanese auto giant unveiled the C+Pod microcar, which for its first year on the market will be limited to fleet customers. Sales to private customers is scheduled to start in 2022. Its pint-sized footprint would be a perfect fit for cramming into tight spaces in cities. That said, there is a good potential for micro-electric vehicles in our market, and something like the Toyota C+Pod fits just right in the picture. It's an ultra-compact EV just under the size of the Reva or Mahindra E20 and is targeted for small intra-city commutes. The Toyota C+Pod was first showcased as a prototype at the 2019 Tokyo Motor Show in Japan. At 2490 mm, it is even shorter than the wheelbase of some sedans and is just 1290 mm wide, while it stands 1550 mm tall. However, this one is very light, tipping the scale at just about 690 kg, courtesy to its exterior panels that are made of plastic. Then it can only sit 2 people inside and can accommodate some luggage behind the seats. It may prove to be a good option for urban commuting in these COVID times where maintaining social distancing is the need of the hour. The small electric motor driving the Toyota C+Pod is powered by a 9.06 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, which gives it enough juice for a 150 km run on a single charge. That said, this one isn't meant to be nippy-zippy, and one will have to make peace with driving at moderate speeds. The electric motor puts out a maximum of 12 bhp and 56 Nm of peak torque that are channelized to its rear wheels, and the top speed is limited to 60 kmph. The C+Pod is the first of several new BEVs, shorter for battery electric vehicles, to be launched by Toyota over the coming years. Another will be a compact SUV which will offer its own version, nipping power from solid-state batteries that promise improved safety, range and charging times compared to current liquid-type batteries. Details about the same is available in other video of mine. Lastly, we hope Toyota considers bringing the C+Pod to India.